Hello my dear students, welcome to my channel. Now I am going to teach in English medium as because one student from Bokaro told me for the determinations of mean value from class intervals, whose class intervals has given. Now for the determinations of mean value by direct method, we have to determine the class marks, that means mean value of the class interval. The formula of the class mark equal to upper classes limit plus lower classes limit divided by 2. We have to determine the class marks, that means mean value of the class upper class limit to that of the lower class limit divided by 2. Now the class interval has given in this page 10 to 25, whose frequency equal to 2, class interval 25 to 40, whose frequency equal to 3, 40 class intervals 40 to 55, whose frequency equal to 7, class interval 55 to 70, whose frequency equal to 6, class intervals 70 to 85, whose frequency equal to 6, and class intervals 85 to 100, whose frequency equal to 6. Now according to the formula of class marks, we have determined from the first class intervals 10 to 25, the class marks will be 10 plus 25 divided by 2 equal to 17.5. To that of the second class intervals, the class marks, that means middle point will be 25 plus 40 divided by 2, the result will be 32.5. To that of the 40 plus 55 divided by 2 equal to 47.5, and the class intervals when 55 to 70 and frequency equal to 6, therefore the class limit, that means class marks, will be 62.5. 70 to 85, the frequency equal to 6, the class marks, that means middle point, will be 77.5, and to that of the class intervals 85 to 100, the class marks will be, that means SI equal to 92.5. According to the formula, we get FI xi, that means the produced of Fi and xi, that means the multiplications of Fi and xi. Fi equal to frequency and Si equal to class marks, that means the average of the class interval. The Fi xi in the first class intervals will be 35, in the second class interval 97.5, to that of the third class interval 332.5, next 375, and for next 465 and 555. Therefore the total FI/XI, that means the summation of FI/XI will be 1860. We have to determine the summation, that means sigma FI/XI equal to 1860, and now the total frequency will be summation Fi equal to 30 according to the formula. That means we have to determine the mean value of the class intervals, that means x bar equal to, according to the formula, we can get x bar equal to summation Fi/Xi divided by summation Fi. Well, in the direct method process, we can get a formula x bars equal to the mean value of the class intervals equal to x bar, then x bar equal to summation, that means sigma fi xi divided by summation fi. We have obtained the summation fi xi equal to 1860 and to that of the summation fi equal to 30. Therefore x bar will be 1860 to that of the now we have obtained x bar equal to summation fi xi divided by summation fi. We have obtained the summation fi xi equal to 1860 to that divided by a summation fi equal to 30. Now 1860 divided by 30 equal to 62. In this process, we can obtain the x bars, that means the mean value of the class intervals has given equal to 62. This is the final result of the class interval. In this process, we can determine all the class intervals has given, and we have determined the mean value of the from the statistics. This is last. You have to determine in copy and like, comment and subscribe.